Ready? Hey, I'm John McBride with Otelrobotics, and just letting everybody know of what dragonfish opportunities that we actually have here in the United States. So in the United States, I have around 30 dragonfish aircraft. This is the Dragonfish Standard. Flight time of about an hour and a half to 2 hours. And where we're deploying this specifically, Border Patrol, Security, Fire, Sheriff's Departments, Overwatch. I also have several that the Oklahoma Bureau of Narcotics uses. So they have 3 units that they support statewide. This program, both training the aircraft and understanding what it does, is very important to Otelrobotics and making sure that everybody that purchases and gets it actually does what they need to do with it. It's much different than most drones, and the design is actually very stable, as well as the capable imagery, and the payloads options are really good. So overall, I just want to say that the Dragonfish itself has been a fantastic unit for the United States, and as well being shown all over the rest of the world. So.